So, today is the departure day of the Beetle. So I'm going to give a quick little intro, give a quick little overview of the car, and maybe try my hand at editing the video to do one of those fancy slow-mo over parts of the car, blah, blah, blah. And if that turns out to be a pain in the ass, well, it'll just be normal. But yeah, so today I should be driving the car about 11 miles to a restaurant to give it to the people that I've been doing the work for. One of them knows and has been funding all the parts. The other person doesn't know yet. Just for a quick overview, so the total parts that I spent on this car, rough estimate but exact value to some degree, and this included welding wire, welding materials, paint, all those little details. It was $4,668. That was just what I invoiced. There were little things here and there that I'd be like, screw it, $1 here, $1 there. But that was just for the parts that it's like, okay, no, this needs to be replaced, or no, this isn't even there. So we're going to do a quick overview. This isn't going to be like TJ Hunt looking build, as most of you should know, or even one of the shoddier B's for builds, you know, like the floating BMW. But it's a build for me. It's something that runs and drives. I'm definitely more of the function over form, and the function part's still always a little sketchy. So with that done, let's look over everything real quick. So here she is in all her glory. She has a Stinger little exhaust tip. Really nothing too special there. Let's see if I can open this. An engine. Well, you saw from previous videos. If you haven't seen them, well, go watch them. Has a nice little header set up. I mean, for what it is. Yeah. Oh, I hate these things. Here is the rest of the car. So it's sitting kind of low. It's not sitting as low as it used to, but it definitely could be sitting higher. But apparently, new owner might want it that way. So yeah, they can worry about it later. Window stickers, you know, just basic Beetle interior, different seats. I have no idea what year they're out of. Previous owners had them in here, screwed into 2x4s, so they'd never driven with it. But also, you can kind of see it without me shaking. Gas gauge. That was all mangled and shitified. So yeah. I got some carpet put in. You know, not full carpet, but just a little better than what it was, because it was horrible before. Yeah, the headlights were not in great shape. Well, they were missing a bunch of pieces, so. But yeah, oh yeah, forget something else. But, you know, here's the car. Some of the things that will eventually get addressed by the new owners. These things don't have the latches, but I'm going to recommend maybe them looking into just a single piece window, Cali style, whatever it's called. Got the window crank installed. Worked pretty well. I was pleasantly surprised. I got the horn working, but with that, I think there's a wire, one of the ground wires in the steering column. It's probably mangled or something, because you can turn the wheel sometimes and the horn honks. So that's not good. But yeah, took it to get its first tank of gas yesterday. it made it there. There's still a lot of things I don't know. Like, you know, drum brakes. They feel sketchy to me. So I don't know if that's just the brakes in general or if the brakes still need more work. But the car stops, so hey, there it is. Now to go to the eatery to drop it off.
Holy cow, like I've been lied to.
Our table.
Holy shit.
And it's been sitting for an hour and a half.
I just didn't give it any gas.
Yeah, when it's ice cold, the damn thing, it's like right up.
Oh, yeah, that's not as loud as it sounds. Right.
Yeah, no.
Right.
In the garage,
Echoed up to the garage.
let me know when you're going to try and put in reverso. I just want to make sure that's right. Let me know when you're actually going to move it, because I just want to make sure that leak isn't from the Beetle.
Oh, right. Should I back up then?
Yeah, back up. Just be prepared to use the e-brake. Well, because there's moisture under the car, but it seems too far back to be the brake.
I forgot.
Down, yeah. Down, over, and up, or down. Yeah.
Maybe I got it. I don't know. It's been too long.
So this is the future owner, and here's the person who snuck it by him. What do you think of it?
I am amazed and very surprised and thrilled to drive it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Called me a liar.
And I felt slightly lied to. For all these months and months, years.
Yeah.
2 years.
2 years. Cool. Well, c'est la vie, little Miss Beetle.
I'll take good care of it. So, absolutely. Holy cow.
So, with that little tidbit that you saw, that is the end of the Beetle project. For the most part. There's a chance that I might still, if they ever want help, I'll be there to help them learn the things, and maybe raise the seats up if they want me to. Because, yeah, you're pretty much sitting on the floor in that car. But it was a very weird experience to work on a car for so long and have someone else, you know, kind of be looking for their approval, you know, hoping they liked it, hoping it was good enough, and hopefully, or hoping it will treat them well. So, first time I've ever done a full project for someone, more than likely the last. I prefer the small projects, helping someone do their brakes, or just figure out what's wrong with something and helping friends out. But with that, it was fun. I learned a lot. I mean, I still have a lot to learn. But with what I learned from that Beetle, the idea of taking on a kit car or something like that, like using a Beetle chassis and throwing a kit on it or whatever, doesn't seem as daunting. So, learned a lot. It was fun. It was stressful. but it is nice to be done. So with that, hope some of these videos were interesting. I've got plenty of other projects I'll be working on, just none quite as big as the Beetle, but there's some bigger projects I have planned for myself. So anyway, have fun, have a good day, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Bye-bye.